Hi! Today we are going to study. Studies? No studying. We are going to play a game. Are you all ready? I know you have played this game before, but today we are going to play it together. Jump 5 times and start your game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's roll the dice. You got 3. So let's count. You were at 1. Now after 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are at 4. 4 says clap 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll the dice and you got 4. I'm at 1 and I got 4. So what comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am at 5. Oh, 5 says sing a song or poem. Which song I should sing? You can sing along with me. Like a sunflower that follows every moment of the sun. So I turn towards you to follow you, my Lord, in simplicity, charity I follow. In simplicity, charity I follow. Let's roll the dice. And we got 2. You got 2 and you are at 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. So you will go on 6. Oh, 6 says drink water. Great, drink and boost your energy. And climb up the ladder and directly go on 17. 17 says tie a shoelace. You can pause the video till you tie the lace. Great going. Roll the dice. We got 2 again. I am at 5 and we got 2. So after 5, 6, 7. So I will go on 7. 7 says flap your arms 7 times. Let's do it together. Come on. Flap your wings like a bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's roll the dice again. And we got 5. We got 5 and you are on 17. What comes after 17? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So now you are at 22. 22 says crawl like a baby. Now crawl like a baby. Great going. Oh, but a snake is sitting there. Oh, now you're at 11. 11 says twist and sit 11 times. Come on, twist and sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It's my turn now. And here comes 3. I'm at 7 and I got 3. So now what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10. I will go on 10. 10 says hop on one foot 5 times. Let's hop together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great going. Now we got 3. You are at 11 and you got 3. What comes after 11? 12, 13, 14. So now you are at 14. 14 says bend and touch your toes 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and last 5. Rolling the dice. 2. I'm at 10 and I got 2. What comes after 10? 11, 12. I will go at 12. 12 says, answer what comes after 15. What comes after 15? 16. Oh wow, I got ladder. Let me climb up on 23. 23 says, drink water and boost your energy. Roll, roll, roll the dice and we got 5. You are at 14 and you got 5 on the dice. Let's count what comes after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So now you are at 19. 19 says, walk like a bear. Let's do it together. I want to be a bear, a bear, a bear. I want to be a bear am I. This way and that way, this way and that way. I want to be a bear am I. Rolling the dice again, and I got 2. I'm at 23 and I got 2. What comes after 23? 24, 25. So now I'll go on 25. 25 says, fill in the blank. I live in a beautiful house. Here we go. Rolling the dice again and we got 5. You are at 19 and you got 5. So what comes after 19? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now you are at 24. 24 says, jump like a kangaroo 4 times. Let's jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll, 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 and we got 2. I'm at 25 and I got 2 on the dice. So what comes after 25? 26, 27. So now I'm at 27. 27 says, name any 2 water animals. Starfish, jellyfish. Roll and 2 again. You are at 24 and you got 2 on the dice. What comes after 24? 25, 26. So now you are at 26. 26 says, try to touch your nose with your tongue. Whoa, this is little difficult. Let's try out. I can't do it, but oh, he can do it. Great. Did you try? Let's roll it up. Oh, again 2. What comes after 27? 28, 29. So now I am at 29. 29 says, fill in the blank. When I am sick, I go to the doctor. I go to doctor. Your turn now. And you got, whoa, you got 4. You are at 26 and you got 4. What comes after 26? 27, 28, 29 and 30. 30 says, put your hands up and clap for yourself. Yippee! I hope you enjoyed the game. Did you all notice? We learn addition and we did division of numbers. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.